All right, so today, day 5 notes, we're going to look at parallel lines and triangles. We're going to talk about the sum theorem with triangles, and then we're going to also talk about exterior angle theorem to find the values of variables. Okay, this shouldn't be too difficult, and actually we'll probably go pretty quick today. The triangle sum theorem, this is something that you guys already know, whether you remember it or not, I have no idea, but you know this. The sum of the interior angles of all triangles is 180 degrees. It doesn't mean that the sum of every number ever is 180 degrees, or that 180 is the answer for every question that you're ever going to be asked in this class, but it does mean that the three angles of a triangle, so in this triangle, for example, this angle, this angle, and this angle, when we add these up, we're going to get 180 degrees for every triangle ever. So let's practice. Let's find the value of x, y, and z. So how would we do this? Well, a couple things. We have, what's important for students here is that you need to see that we have three triangles here. Okay, we have the big triangle that everybody probably can see. Look at now. So we have that triangle, but we also have this triangle over here on the left, and then we also have this triangle over here on the right. So we have three triangles, and we can apply this piece of information that we just learned to all three triangles. So let's take a look at the left triangle first. We have 40, 52, and then x. Okay, so we can say 40 plus 52 plus x equals 180. All right, so we go ahead and do that. We solve and we get x equals 88. So now I know this is 88. I can find y because of what I know about linear pairs. Okay, I know that from here to here, is a line. Um, and so because of that, 180 equals 88 plus y, so y equals 92. And then to find the last one, I can do a couple different things. I can use the 92 and the 32, or I can use, see this angle right here is actually 84. I could use the big triangle, 84 and 40. So let's do that one. 84 plus 40, whoops, plus z equals 180. Okay, and when we do that, we solve and we get z equals 56. Okay, next. Find the value of x. So same kind of problem, just a little bit more complicated. And then it says classify the triangle by the angle. So we'll talk about it at the end. To do a problem like this, again, we know this little symbol here right here for degrees lets me know that those are the angle measures. So I'm going to add up the angles. 5x plus 17 plus 2x plus 14 plus 6x plus 6 equals 180. Okay, go ahead and pause the video right here. Try and solve that yourself, and then I'll walk you through how I solved it when you unpause. Go ahead and pause the video now. All right, so you've unpaused. Hopefully you have an answer. We'll see what I get. 5x plus 2x plus 6x is 13x. 17 plus 14 plus 6 is 37. And that equals 180. I'm going to subtract 37 from both sides. I'm going to get 13x equals 143. So x equals 11. Okay. Then it says to classify the triangle by its angles. To do that, I have to plug the 11 back in. So plug the 11 in for each one of, we're going to take this 11, we're going to put it in here, find that angle value, that one, and that one. So let's go ahead and do that. 5 times 11 is 55, plus 17 is 72. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 14 is 36. 6 times 11 is 66, plus 6 is 72. So if we were to classify this triangle by its angles, we have two congruent angles. That means this triangle is isosceles. Okay? It's an isosceles triangle. We could also say, actually, sorry, we could also say it's an acute triangle. Isosceles and acute. The exterior and remote interior angles, what we know here is, first of all, we need to understand what these words mean. So exterior, that's an angle on the outside, like angle 1, okay? Remote interior, well, interior are on the inside, and you think of remote like not the thing that changes the channels, but like if you live in a remote location, you live like far away from stuff. So the 2 and the 3 are remote when compared to the 1. They are away from the exterior angle and on the inside, okay? Um, so here's what we can do with that information. The triangle exterior angle theorem says that the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interiors. So really it's just this angle equals this plus this. That's all it is. This is like just a fact that you need to remember so that then you can apply it when we have a problem like this. So if the measure of angle 2 is 20 and the measure of angle 3 is 50, without doing any other math, we know that the measure of angle 1 is, you got it, 70. Very good, whoever said that. Okay? So we just add the remote interiors to get the exterior. Now it also works with an algebraic problem. So the setup here is, here's the exterior angle, so 13x minus 20. Then these are the remote interiors, and it's the sum of the remote interiors. So it's 5x minus 7 plus 6x plus 3. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video here, try and solve that on your own, and then unpause it, and I will show you what I got. Go ahead and pause now. Alright, you've unpaused. We have 13x minus 20 equals 11x minus 4. We have 2x equals 16. And we have x equals 8. Alright, and that's how you do that. And that's it, guys. This might have been the easiest day of notes of my life. You're welcome. I enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye.